The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. I shall not lack. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of darkness, I will fear no evil. I will never be afraid, because I know I am never alone. I am the head, and I'm not the tail. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. I am not afraid. I am not scared. It is hard at times, but I know that you are with me, and I am more than a conqueror, because you and I are a majority. I am blessed. Look at me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngeindaba ezingimnandi guys. Ngumama ke uZanele uMbukazi Khambule ongumsakazi uKhozi FM, aphinde ke abe yifounder yama Crown Gospel Awards. Mama Zanele guys usaqhubeka ke nokulwela impilo yakhe esibhedlela. Namhlanje ke uvuye waposta message ethi ke baba sale sewenzela igama lakho, nokuthuseke abantu ke abaningi amva kwegameko esinokuyibona zenzeka laphana ke kubasakazi ke bokhozi. Abantu ke bathumele ke imithandazo yabo bethi ke alulame ngokusheshsha umama ke uZanele Mbukazi. Wangeniswa esibhedlela emva kokukhala ngokushelwa yizwi kanye ke nama sharp pain ethi ke akaphethwe umkhuhlane, kodwa ke ushelwe yizwi kanti futhi ke ushawa nazi ibhobo, waseke phuthunyiswa esibhedlela. Before she even finished ishow ayenza ngalelo langa neyazi yaqedelwa ke uThokozana uMamkhize Ndlovu. She has been hospitalized for a week. Ifamily yakhe ikhulumeke nabechesa live ukuthi she underwent a minor surgery for shortness of breath, and she is recovering very well guys. In her hospital bed, umama uZanele continue to ask for imthandazo. Kudala ke guys ekhuphuka nabantu kulolu hlelo lakho lethi ke sikhuphukela eShilo. Namhlanje ucela ukuthi ke abalaleli nabathandi ke bakhe guys bakhuphuke naye ngomthandazo. We speak life over her body. uNkulunkulu akamphilise azoqhubeka ke nohambo lwakhe of saving souls and bringing hope, especially to ama gospel singers guys, as kunguye ke oyifounder yama Crown Gospel Awards, neqhuquzela kakhulu ke abaculi bomculo wokholo ukuthi ke banyuse ke izinga kuma careers abo. Speed recovery Mambukazi, siyakuthanda kakhulu, sikhule sikulalela nje ukhosini sichazo na izwi lakho size sikulingisa uyabo, but ke sikufisela ukululama ke okusheshayo ubuye uzoqhubeka ke nomsebenzi wakho. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and let's continue to pray for her as sisalinde ke le testimony ke ayoyilanda khona laphana ke esibhedlela. Bye.